ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯ. How many days our work has happened here? Does it look like any work has happened in last 2 months? It looks like that? ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ 1 ವರ್ಷ, ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ 3 ಅಡಿ ಹಾಕಕ್ 1 ವರ್ಷ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೈನು 4 ವರ್ಷ ಡಿಲೇ, ನಿಮ್ದು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಡಿಲೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Does it look like any work has happened any time? That end, why you close that end? Why are you closing this end? For 1 pier, why you are closing 1 kilometer? If you have problem in 1 pier, why you are closing the road?
It has come to the level of
that means only after 1 pillar you have to put the other pillar? You can't put all the pillars same time? Where is it going? I don't see any pillar activity for 1 kilometer. Your rules say that you have to put 1 pillar, then next pillar, then after that 1 more pillar. Is that what you are saying? Then where is the pillar from here to there?